Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Hey guys, it's Lisa. Look, Rusty's here, but Rusty is too frail to lift up my Happy Meal. Well, I can't even lift it, guys. Okay. Whoa, uh-oh. Everybody's falling. Oh, well, I don't need that. All right, there we go. Rusty, are you excited?
Yep.
Alrighty then. Here we go, guys. I got my spin. Did I say the date? Today's June the 12th. Friday, June 12th. I got my order yesterday from Spinrite. That's a big box, hey guys? Okay, so what did Lisa order? Okay. Spinrite Factory Outlet in Lister, Ontario had, you bought three balls for $6 each, and then you got one free. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I ordered something, but they had to replace it with this color. I don't know, I think I ordered a gray, but anyway, I got 4 balls of Bernat worsted, great value, in the color, help me, velvet teal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 of these because you got one free, right guys? So I paid $18 for these big, huge babies. You know my problem, eh guys? I keep running out of yarn. Every time I make something, I'm running out of yarn. I will talk about this in a minute. So anyway, each one of these, it's the medium 4 weight, and each one is 867 yards. Hello. So this was what they substituted. Yeah. Okay, so what is my impression? You know what? It's yarn. It's a lot of yarn. it doesn't feel luxurious. It's yarn. And that's all I have to say. It's just yarn, but a lot of it. Okay, so, I also got, I got 1, 2, these were the same, okay, everything I'm showing you is that same price. So I got 4 I ripped one of these open. I got this, which is the Bernat. I say Bernat, you guys say Bernat, whatever. Yarn Inspirations Bernat Cozy Style. I never ever tried this before either. And this color is Chambray Blue. Okay, so I got 4 of them for the same price. You bought 3 balls at $6 each. And then you got one free. So $18 for these 4. And there's the color, guys. And same thing. You know what? But to me, samesies. Maybe this is like a tad, like a fraction of a millimeter softer. Well, I don't know. Yeah, a bit softer. Anyway, I got 4 of these at, oh wait, hello. This is a medium number 4. Oh, these ones are bigger, guys. Wait a minute. These ones are 1,015 yards each. Oh, well there you go, eh? Oh, that's a lot more. What was this? 867. Calculators. Pull out your calculator. What is, help me guys. What is 1,015 minus 867? Quick, help me. What's it? Do you have a calculator? Anyway.
240.
So 200. Anyway, hello. I got lots of yarn. Hello. So that's all right. Okay, so then my last order, my last ones I got in burgundy. So all this in this box, guys. You see this box, guys? That's freaking humongous. Help me. Okay, so I think I cracked one of. No, I didn't crack one of these open. I'm gonna crack one open right now with all you. Okay. So same thing. The Bernat. I say Bernat. Yarn Inspirations. Whatever you want to say, cozy style, in the color burgundy. And number 4, same, 1,015 yards, 100% acrylic. All this stuff is acrylic. That's pretty, eh, guys? Now I wish I got a white. No, actually, I don't think they had white. Yeah, because I thought for my, you buy 3 balls, get 1 free. I was going to ask if I could get my 1 ball in white free. But I got yarn, guys. Woo, I can make a project without running out now, right, guys? You know me and all my projects, and I keep running out of yarn. So let's do the math, guys. Okay, so I paid $20 in shipping. Now, that sounds like a lot, doesn't it? But in reality, I've shipped something like this big in Canada, hello, like a couple provinces over, and it cost me $20, and the box was like this big. So I paid $20 for shipping, and if you do all the math, I calculated it all out. So with the shipping and the free ball each, I paid $6.97 a ball. Hello? What are you paying for these little balls, guys? Like some of those balls of yarn, yeah, sure, they're really beautiful and nice. Yeah, I get it, right? Because you really want the beautiful and nice yarn. But anyway, I'm sure if you make something and wash this up, it'll be nice. Now, it doesn't feel as horrible as that, the Red Heart Super Saver, like the old stuff. This actually, wait a minute. This actually feels nice, this one here. So yeah, this is rougher. This here stuff, it is rougher. But the cozy style it's yarn, right? I just said that, didn't I? But actually this burgundy one feels better, I think. So I have a feeling, guys, it's the dye that makes the yarn rougher. Like, because I've had yarns in the same whatever, and it's like that color is softer than that color. You know what I mean? Have you guys noticed that too? But anyway, oh, can you see? What do you think, guys? What do you think? So not bad at all for $6 with after shipping, $6.97 a ball. I'm very, very, very happy, and I have a lot of yarn now. So, like, you get it? I got three. These were $6 each for 3, but then you got 1 free. Yeah, so see how that even worked, guys. So even with the shipping, this was supposed to be for 3 of them. It was supposed to be. Look, what am I doing? 3 balls at $6 each. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So they were $6 per ball, right? But then you got that 1 free. So I paid only like 97 cents more for the shipping because I got that free one. So basically, I got free shipping, if you kind of understand what I'm trying to say, right? These were $6, but then you got one free, and then with my total, I ended up only paying $6.97 a ball each. Or something like that. You guys do the math. Anyway, so I stopped at my mailbox. Are you guys still with me here? Are you sure?
Yep.
So I stopped in my mailbox and I got this. I'm like, what is that? Anyway, let's rip into this, guys. I have a feeling now. Oh, I just read it. Spoiler alert. Damn it. Why did I read it? Okay. This is a wish order, guys, that I placed like, I don't know, 100 years ago. I don't what do you call that?
Exaggerate?
I don't exaggerate too much, do I, guys? All right, so this is my plastic eyes. Finally, guys, because, you know, remember I'm getting into, like, doing amigurumis? Oh, okay, so these are, can you see, everybody? Can everybody see?
Yep.
They're clear eyes. Well, those are nice, eh? And then you got the back. The back. Oh, these are I like these. So it took forever. How many? I don't know how many's in here. Doesn't say anywhere. But there looks like a lot of them, right, guys? Maybe 50? I don't know. But I can start doing amigurumi with, like eyes. Those are nice, eh, guys? Okay, cool, because I do have an amigurumi started, and I don't know, I got this going, I got that going, I started something, and oh my goodness, guys, you should see the nightmare I'm involved with now. Well, it's my own fault, holy cow. It's my own fault. Story of my life again, I ran out of yarn, and then I'll tell you that story later when I get it finished. Okay, is that my story of the day? Oh no, I gotta tell you about this. So this I made quite a while ago. It's I'll put the link in the description box below. It's by All Crafts channel, and it should not, like, it doesn't look, sorry, but I wasn't getting all naked for you guys. It would look really cute, you know, if you had like a tube top underneath, or a bathing suit, bikini top underneath. It's freezing here. Like, remember I was whining about how hot it was, and now it's like the last, because we had a big storm, and now it's like brr, freezing. But anyway, can you guys see this? So here it is. Maybe I'll get Stephen to bring you guys over here. Or yeah, okay, let's go. Don't show them the mess though, please. Okay, so here it is. Oh, look at my socks. Don't show them my socks. Okay, so what do you think, guys? It would look like, see, wouldn't that look cute? And it is a cover-up, and you could make it longer to be like a long cover-up. You could go down your ankles if you want. It's basically just like a granny square. And I like it. I ran out of yarn, so I had to, this is like a sparkly yarn that I was gifted. I love this cotton, and I forget the color, but it had little sparkles through it, and I ran out, and I just needed a couple more things longer for me personally, and then I was over it. I should have went maybe longer. Maybe I will. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so what do you think, guys? What am I doing? What am I being arrested? You like it, guys? As I said, it doesn't, like, no, I need a different top, right? Okay, that's it. That's it. What do y'all think? Okay, so that's my big whoop-de-doo story of the day. I swear I'm supposed to be telling you something else. Yeah, so not bad. I can't wait to get this off. I wish I had Well, I don't know what color I ordered that they sent. I've been filling it with, oh, I know what color it was, guys, because remember I was getting into making that pocket, what was that, perfect pocket shawl? And I wanted, like, the color she used. So what I originally ordered from them was, like, that tanny brown, beigey, you know, like that brown, that light brown color. And they substituted, what is it? Velvet teal. And actually when she phoned me and said, because I was so anxious to get it, right? And they finally phoned me. I know, there's a lot going on in the world. But when she finally phoned me and said, your order is done being picked, you know, here's what you owe us. And she goes, but the girls had to substitute velvet teal. And I was like, yeah, whatever. Okay, fine, thanks. Because I just wanted my yarn. And then I'm going, wait a minute, velvet teal, what's that? Is that like velvet? I don't want velvet. I don't want velvet yarn. She goes, no, it's the same. That's just the color name. I was expecting more of a teal color, though, like this. This is blue. This, to me, is not teal. This is like blue. Like jean blue. Anyway, I don't care. I got yarn in my hands, guys. Yeah, because that's what I wanted. Yeah. Anyway, it's all said and done. Whatever. Okay, everybody have a great day. That's it. That's all. Goodbye, folks. Okay, Rusty, where are you? Come here. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Bye.